and find Mummy. And then shall we go and find a hot chocolate? Oh, just something hot. It's only a couple of hot waters, put my hand down.
Stand here a minute. You wait there.
Made your day, hasn't it, Mum?
Right, where are we going now? Are you taking me somewhere?